what's up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a very healthy and delicious cake recipe which is Ragi cake. So let's get started. So to make this cake, here are the ingredients that you will require. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and I'll see you in my next video.